All right, welcome back, guys. Another tip I have for you for today is adjusting the screen timeout settings. Very important. Have you ever wondered why your battery seems to vanish anytime when you're not using it? The truth is, your screen might be a silent battery killer. Let me show you a simple trick that you can actually easily do to add, let's say, 30 to 60 extra battery lives to your laptop, minutes of time to your battery life. I usually work on my laptop, and sometimes I leave my laptop and step out thinking nothing that will happen. But there was this day I came back and I was asked to work on a project. On me coming back, putting on my laptop, and the next thing I was seeing was my battery was telling me low. I was like, how possible was that? I stepped out for just 20 to 30 minutes. Something took me longer time. On me coming back, my battery was low, and I felt bad. That was when I discovered this tip, which I'm about to share. So anytime you're working on your laptop, I want you to actually take note of this. And how do you fix this in less than a minute? So first up, you just go to settings and go to system, go to power and battery, then you click on screen and sleep and hibernation timeout. So from here you choose the settings you want to do on your device when it's idle for a specific time. So for here you can see when it's plugged in and when it's on your battery. So this is when you're connected to external power supply. This is when you're running on your battery. So for here you can see that you can turn on my screen. The recommended is 5 minutes, but energy saver recommendations battery saver recommendations over here usually tells us to set it to 3 minutes. So what you click on when it's plugged in, you can actually leave it on the recommendation because it's actually on the external power supply. You can leave it to 5 minutes. So that's actually when your screen goes off. Then after like 10 minutes, what happens? Your laptop or your computer goes into sleep mode. It's still running on the background, but it reduces most of the apps that are running. Then after like 180 minutes, it depends, it's recommended 3 hours, which is around 180 minutes. It should do what? It should hibernate. So this actually saves settings. So let's say, for instance, you went out and something took you longer than expected. You are sure that your battery life is still intact without draining. So that's what it is. And then same settings on your battery. So this actually helps. You can actually set this recommended, and they have recommended, and also you can do the same here on recommended and leave it on recommended. So with this, your battery is actually in a good state, and by this way, whenever your laptop is idle, the screen powers down automatically, doesn't waste energy, and you are good to go. So now, don't just set it too low, like 1 or 2 minutes, because it's very annoying. You just take the eye off your screen and maybe get water, and you come back and your screen is locked. So it's so annoying. So keep turning off your light while you're working. Most times you just take your hands off your mouse and it's off. So test different settings until you find your sweet spot. For me, actually, I usually leave it at 5 minutes, which is perfect for me. So it may varies between different people. Then you can actually try this out and let me know in the comments what your screen timeout set is right now. Is it 1 minute, 10 minutes, or you set it on never? I will want to know. And if you want more quick laptop hacks that actually save your time and battery, you can actually drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. We will see you in the next video.